Hi, this is Hridesh and I will walk you through the demo of IntelliTicks. For the purpose of demo, I have taken the example of our one of the client IELTS who is trying to get more number of registrations through their website using our chatbot. So you can see that I have visited the website of this customer. So initially the chatbot has sent a message that you can take our test on the computer. So in this way, our bot is trying to engage the user with the relevant message so that user can open the chat and starts interacting. So let's say I start interacting with the message and I go further and further. So yeah, so initially it has asked me the name, so let me enter the name. Okay. Uh, so now I can further choose my options that I want to register for the test. And before that it will ask me a few of the details, so I will enter my details. uh, so in the similar way I can further choose the options, like I want to go for computer related test and I want to have my test type is academic. So now it has fetched this information from their database that in this category of test there are 22 centers and it is asking me to pick one of the centers. So they are managing list of centers in their database. So if they want to add new center or they want to update the centers, they can make changes in their database, and in the real time it will be reflected in the chat itself. So let's say I'm choosing one of the option. Now it is asking me to select a specific date and time. So now we have linked this web view with their system. So in the web view we are asking on what dates user would like to book for the test, and here we are showing the dates for which here we are showing only the available dates and available time slots. So user can choose any of the date and any of the time slot. So let's say I choose one of the time slot and I continue. In the similar way I can go on and answer all the questions. So now it is asking me to upload my passport. So here we have designed a customized UI for them which allows user to upload their passport. So I have a passport with me which will I upload in their system, and once I upload the passport, uh, it will automatically scan the passport and fetch all the relevant information from the passport, like the first name, their last name, their date of birth. So we will parse the passport and get all the information. So now you can see that it has fetched all the details, the name, yeah, the nationality, and all the details it has captured from the passport. So now I will proceed with the registration, and I will verify the passport details, and let's say all the details are correct, so I confirm. Uh, Now let's imagine that at this point of time I had a query and I do not want to proceed with the registration. So for that we have given some of the options, like here is a menu. So user can open the menu. Let's say if user want to talk to the customer, he can select this particular option, or if user can also go to the frequently asked questions and we can present with these questions. So let's say I ask that how to book for the IELTS test. So now it can assist me with the test. Okay. Similarly, let's say if I have some other query which I cannot find in the FAQ, so I can just type. So if I type this query, our AI-based NLP engine will automatically understand that I am looking for the validity, and it will provide an answer. And further, it will try to engage that it would like to book for the test. Let's say I have a query which bot doesn't understand. So this query bot doesn't understand, so it will say let me connect you to one of the customer service representative. And here if you come here, if I have subscribed, so we will send a notification to each of the human agents who are live on the admin platform. So admins can go to the conversations and they can see that this chat has come in the incoming conversations. So when admin comes here, they can go through all the chat that has happened so far. Admin can also check the user attributes, that the passport number, preferred sender, so all the details that we have captured from the chat. And agent also have an option to take over. So if agent clicks on take over, then bot will stop engaging and sending any messages. So agent says hey, and just let me show you that hey, I need some help. So at this point of time, I just get a notification, but bot will not reply to this message. Okay. So this is our admin panel. In the admin panel, we have a team section where you can add multiple team members. Here is AI builder. So all the flow that has been created so far, and that has been created here. So here you can see this is a center slot registration, where it guides through the flow of booking for the test. So here you can see the questions are already configured here. Similarly, I have shown you the FAQs where I asked how long the test is valid. So this is how it is trained, that I gave IELTS in 2000 days, is it is still valid, or all these questions. So our AI based NLP engine will try to see if the query entered by user matches with these trained responses, and if it does, it will provide the response. Okay. Uh, so now here are some settings. User can change the theme and color of the chat and look and feel. So these are some of the basic features which are generally available and required for the customers. Thank you.